What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So tonight I am unboxing my Ipsy creator box. So I've got my Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for March. I'm gonna keep it short and sweet because I'm already a little bit behind this month. So I'm just gonna quickly go through and show you exactly what I got and let you know my thoughts. So Ipsy put some extra products in this month and it is super cute. I am loving the pin set. I'm very bright, colorful. This is definitely on point today. And then they also did a little notepad. Very, very cute. I'm gonna put both of these on my desk. Let's start with our regular Ipsy Glam Bag. It says Power Moves, and you can put your hand through this. So if you wanted to use it as like a little clutch, you've got like a little grip on it. You could even throw it up on the wrist, punch somebody, whatever you need to do. So Power Moves, I like the color scheme. Very bright, very getting me in the mood for spring, even though it's still like ugly weather right now. But I like it. Lime green and with a little touch of pink too in the lettering. So let's see what we got. Okay, first up we got the Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. This is from Kinship. I am in love with their sunscreen. They actually sent me one of these as well because they asked, is there anything else you want to try from us? I was like, oh, I really need to try that lip jelly mask. And I love it. And now I think I've gotten a backup of it already. So I'm not going to open this one up. It is really, really hydrating. Feels great on the lips. So definitely a good thing to get, but I do already have it. Maybe two. I also got the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I'm gonna be honest, this is not really one of my favorites. The formula to me was very, it's kind of like stringy, which it's meant to be. It's meant to really stretch your lashes out. So that's not really that big of a deal considering that's kind of what it's meant to do, but it's just never been really one of my favorites. I think I had some smudging under my eyes with this one. I do like a lot of It Cosmetics products, but I'm really, really, really picky about mascaras, and yeah, if I don't love it, I'm just not going to use it. So I will pass this on because I know a lot of people really love this mascara, so somebody else will be able to enjoy this. I also got a pair of Araceli tweezers. Tweezers are definitely something that's necessary, but I'm not really excited for these. I think I actually got a pair of these before, and I mean, they're decent tweezers, but it's tweezers. That being said, given that these are sample sizes, this is a nice thing to get in your regular Ipsy bag because it's something you can continue to use over and over and over. But I'm also picky about tweezers, believe it or not. I've bought some before that you would think, well, a tweezer is a tweezer, but then you get them and they just don't work. I usually like Tweezerman. Like that is my go-to. I use those a lot, and I have an Anastasia one that's really good too. But yeah, I don't know. I'll probably just pass this along to someone else. I have quite a few pairs, so I think I'm all set. But again, a good thing to get in a sample size type bag. I also got this Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. So this is a leave-in treatment for strong, healthy looking hair. I don't think I've tried anything from this brand of hair care. It says it has keratin, acai, argan oil, and cocoa butter. So that is the packaging right there. I'm really excited to try that. That's probably the most exciting thing to me so far. Ooh, it's a tiny guy. This is the Hydrating Eye Cream with Hyaluronic Acid from First Aid Beauty. Okay, well, eye creams are pretty small on their own. This is only 0.1 fluid ounce. Most eye creams are between a ½ ounce and a full ounce. So, I mean, it's still a pretty good size. You only need like the tiniest bit. If you don't know, with eye cream, it's the size of a cooked grain of rice is what you need for both eyes. So, given that honestly, you can use this for a while, but it's definitely an itty bitty little container. I would probably save this for travel. It is going to be the perfect traveling eye cream. I don't think I've tried this eye cream, and I've heard good things about it. So First Aid Beauty eye cream, and I am also excited for the hair serum. The rest, I mean, it's a little hit and miss. I love Kinship. I love their products. So if I hadn't already gotten that and tried it, I would be very, very excited to get that too. But that's what we got in our Ipsy Glam Bag. And then the Glam Bag Plus is just as fun. I love the print on it. Looks really cool. And it's got these almost like kind of shoestring type pulls on the bag. It says bold moves only. And that's what she looks like. It's bright, it's vibrant. So the first thing in here, I cannot get away from this brush. I feel like I have gotten this brush 3 or 4 times now. This is the Alley-Oop Multitasker 4-in-1 makeup brush, and I do mean between subscription boxes, not all from Ipsy. You've probably seen this brush, but it is a double-ended brush. And if you unscrew, you've got a liner brush, and then you also have a little shader brush underneath the sponge. I like the way that it looks. I love the colors. The bristles seem really nice. The only thing for me is I am not a fan of double-ended brushes. So as I said previously with this one, I'll probably just have it like in my train case just in case I ever want to take makeup with me, whether it be traveling, whatever. But on a daily basis, I don't really see myself using this type of a brush, just to be honest. I'm really a stickler with all my brushes being standing up in cups. It's just so much more organized and space saving versus having double-ended brushes that literally, unless you want to screw up the bristles, you have to just lay them down. So that's the only downside to that, but other than that, it seems really nice. I do think if you're someone who carries makeup with you in your purse, then this is a no-brainer. I feel like this would be really, really great. I don't really take makeup with me. Like, once my makeup is done, it's done. The only things I take with me makeup related are like a powder, brush on sunscreen, and like some type of lip product. But you will not see me walking around with a, you know, makeup bag in my purse. The next thing is the Saturday Skin Rub-a-Dub Refining Peel Gel. So this is one of those enzymatic exfoliators. This is basically an enzymatic exfoliator. So what that means is that it's one of those, it's like a gel, and as you massage it into dry skin, it's going to kind of like grab just the very surface level of dead skin. A great way to exfoliate before makeup if you don't want to irritate your skin, you want something super gentle. So I really like Saturday Skin. I do. I also still kind of want that little pink rubber duck that they have. But yeah, this is a nice product. I'm definitely happy to get this one. I think I do have it, but this will either be a good backup or I can share with someone because I know that I love it. Next up, we got the Defiance palette from Carmella Cosmetics. Okay, I've not heard of this. How to put it delicately. Yeah, this is not me. This is definitely not going to be something I'm going to hold on to. I rarely wear neutral eyeshadows, and when I do, I don't really need another palette, to be honest. I mean, it's kind of pretty, but it's giving me like Urban Decay knockoff vibes, and I'm not really here for it. Sorry. Not to say that there's anything wrong with the shadows. Of course, you know, I haven't tried them, so they could be wonderful in quality, but it's just not intriguing enough for me to hold on to it and just waste it, basically, because I can definitely give this to someone who will like it or donate it or something. Next up, we have the Ciate Dewy Highlight Glossy Cheek Glow. Ooh, I just got some stuff from Ciate and I'm really enjoying the lip products and the primer. This is kind of small. I mean, it's a highlight. You certainly don't need a lot of it, but it's only 0.33 ounces. So this is kind of a pinky color. Dewdrop, I assume that's the color. It's got a pretty sheen to it. It looked like it had more color than it actually does. It smells so good. It smells like coconutty. It says it adds a dewy glass-like sheen for a healthy luminous glow. Okay, that's really what it does. It looks like a really good glow after skincare. It doesn't look like, you know, highlight that's blinding on the cheek. So it's a little bit more soft. I kind of rubbed it in so that you can see I still have a little bit of a sheen. Interesting. I'm just going to have to try this one and see how I like it. This is not a product that I would typically reach for, but now that I have it, I'm definitely going to try it. I'm certainly intrigued by it. And we have one more product, and this is Soul Clean. So this says it's a refreshing water-based face cleanser to remove dirt, impurities, and makeup. And it has probiotics to clean the skin and lock in moisture and improve skin smoothness. Okay, so I'll definitely try this. This is the Probiotics Balancing Cleanser. So that's what it looks like. I mean, I love K-Beauty, so I'm never gonna, you know, snub my nose at a K-Beauty product. So this and the Cheek Dew and then our Refining Peel Gel from Saturday Skin are definitely going to be my favorites. I think I've been really happy with my Ipsys for months on end. I haven't had any complaints, and every once in a while you're gonna get, you know, a month that is not your favorite. This is just kind of that for me. I've gotten some duplicates, some things that just aren't really my speed or my taste, but that is okay. Not every month is going to be the most amazing, so I'm not mad at it. Let me know if you got anything really, really good. I noticed some of the spoilers were really, really good, and I think better in comparison to what I got, but hopefully you guys got a good bag. And I also do have my paid one coming later on in the month, so I'll definitely either do a comparison or try on or both and let you guys know how it is. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing night, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye guys.